Are you doing too much for your child? You might think you're helping, but it could actually be holding them back. Hi, I'm Catherine O'Brien. I'm a couples and family therapist in Sacramento, California, and I help parents navigate the tricky balance between support and independence so that their kids grow up to feel confident, resilient, and connected. So maybe you've been accused of parentifying your kids just because you expect them to clean up after themselves. Or maybe, like many parents, you feel smothered. Maybe your teen still clings to you at the mall or constantly calls for your attention at the pool. And then there's the guilt, right? Am I doing too much? Am I not doing enough? So step one is to reframe independence as love. Giving your child independence is not neglect, it's love. Independence says, I believe in you. So when kids master small tasks like making their breakfast or crossing the street, they are building confidence and serotonin, the brain's I can do this chemical. Step two is to start small, but stay consistent. You don't have to throw them into the deep end. Set age appropriate expectations. Do you have young kids? Let them help set the table. Tweens, laundry, lunch making, cleaning up after themselves. Do you have teens? Encourage them to plan outings, manage their schedules, and problem solve without you swooping in and saving them. So remember, struggle is the first step to actual mastery. And step three, keep connection while you're letting go. Many parents fear that giving their child independence means weakening that bond, and at least that's what they share with me. But here's the truth. You can let go physically while holding on to them emotionally. Children actually thrive when they feel two things at once. They feel safe, knowing you're there emotionally for them, and they feel capable, knowing they can handle challenges on their own. So how do you strengthen connection while encouraging autonomy? Validate their feelings before you encourage action. For example, if your child is nervous about doing something alone, say, I get it, this feels scary, and I know you can handle it. Be that calm presence, not the problem solver. Instead of jumping in to fix, stay nearby, let them feel supported, and allow them to still try. Separate your role from their outcome. You're not there to prevent every stumble, though I know you'll want to. You're there to be that steady voice that says, I believe in you no matter what happens. The real connection happens not when you do everything for them, but when you are the safe base. But when you are the safe base they can return to after trying things on their own. This teaches them I can go out into the world and no matter what happens, my parent is in my corner. And then step four is address that guilt and objections. This step is crucial because many parents sabotage independence by giving in to their own guilt. Parents tell me this all the time. If I step back, my child will feel abandoned. No. Or what if they fail? What if they get hurt? Other parents will think I'm neglectful. Here's the reframe. Letting go is not abandoning. It's empowering. When you allow them to try, fail, and try again, you're teaching them resilience. Mistakes are not disasters, they're teachers. When a child makes a mistake in a safe environment, they build problem-solving skills that they then carry on for a lifetime. So your worth as a parent is not measured by doing everything for them. It's measured by how you prepare them to start. It's how you prepare them to stand on their own 2 feet. So here's a practical tip. When that guilt voice shows up, pause and ask yourself, am I helping because they truly need it? Or is it because I'm uncomfortable watching them struggle? If it's the second one, I want you to take a breath and let them figure it out. You'll both grow stronger from that. So one parent I worked with felt very overwhelmed. Her kids followed her everywhere, even at 15 and 12. But through small shifts like giving them ownership of simple tasks and encouraging their independent play, she watched them flourish. They still came to her for love, but they no longer needed her for everything. If you're tired of second guessing yourself and want a clear path to raising confident, independent kids without losing connection, I'd love to help. You can click the link below to book your free strategy call with me, and let's create a parenting plan that works. And don't forget to subscribe. I share new tips every week to help you raise resilient kids and build stronger family bonds. You can love them deeply and still let them fly.